Assalamu alaikum and welcome to online session. Today's topic is plurals. According to your book page 88, original book 88, but you can also see on the top of your page plurals. These 20 words we have to write in the right blanks within those sentences. Enemies, supplies, hobbies, babies, dresses, clams, engines, mosses, ranches, so ranches mean farmhouses, parents, mints, couches, armies, patches, caves, props, arrows, glasses, arches, mistakes. Starting from part A, an analogy is a statement that compares sets of words. Write the spelling word that best completes each analogy below. So analogy means set of words. Number 1, sons are to children as dads are to parents. 2, lions are to tigers as oysters are to clams. So oyster and clams are both undersea animals. 3, chairs are to seats as sofas are to couches. 4, birds are to nests as beds are to caves. 5, shrubs are to bushes as farms are to ranches. 6, workers are to businesses as soldiers are to armies. 7, men are to suits as women are to dresses. 8, work is to play as jobs are to hobbies. Moving to part B, write the spelling word that matches each definition below. 9, they help you see glasses. So the glasses help you to see with. 10, curved structure. So arches are curved structures. 11, they point the way. So arrows point the way. 12, tiny plants, mosses. So mosses are called tiny plants, small plants. 13, objects used in plays, props. So props are those objects which are used in drama, in plays. 14, small pieces of fabric, patches. So patches are small pieces of fabric. Fabric means cloth. 15, candies, mints. Mints means candies. 16, newborns, babies. So babies mean newborns. 17, they make cars run, engines. Engines make the car run or make cars run. 18, those against you, enemies. Enemies means the people or the living beings, any organisms who are against you, called enemies. 19, necessary things, supplies. So supply means necessary things, the things that you need. And 20, errors, mistakes. Mistake means errors. Homework. Dear student, please complete the following pages as your homework. 91 and 92 pages. On the top of those pages you would find compound words and compound words. 2 times I have written, because 91 and 92, both these pages consist on the top these headings. Thank you very much and have a nice day.